Alright, JC on the mic together with Keith Agovida of Team Bakakay. Sir Keith, huge victory for you and your team in Game 1, winning on the road. Kontrolado nyo talaga yung buong game, halos from start to finish in Game 1. Anong pinaka nagustuhan mo yung about sa performance nindo as a team ng Game 1?
Siguro yung mga bata nakikinig sa mga veterano, sa utos ng mga coach. Kaya hanggang dulo lumamang kami.
Now, Sir Keith, alam kong hindi mo ini-expect na ang tabako tumiklop lang dito sa Game 2. Ano sa tingin mo ang kailangan ninyong gwardyahan dito sa Game 2? Playing at home this time.
Siguro yung yung pressure nung unang game sa kanila, dapat ngayon mas aggressive kami sa game namin kasi home court eh. Pakita namin yung kung ano yung laro namin nung first game, dapat masigitan pa namin.
Yeah.
Yan lang.
Now, Sir Keith, pag nanalo kayo ngayon, you seal the championship here tonight at home. As one of the leaders, as one of the leaders of your team, what do you think that you need to do personally here tonight in Game 2 to make sure that you guys win here tonight?
Siguro i-guide ko pa rin yung mga bata para magkaroon silang kumpiyansa, tapos bigay lang namin yung best namin sa game na to. Yan lang. Focus lang kami ngayon.
Thank you so much, Sir Keith. Good luck.